So now let's check. Let me just remove this one. Okay, save. Okay, what we are trying to do is, or what is our error? Okay. A bytes like object is required. Not right. So let's try to check. So let's have it in a binary mode. Save. So let's check. Okay, so we already created our bin file. Okay, so to read, okay, or to read our binary files, so we make use of the RB. It's open a file for reading in binary mode. Okay, this file must exist, otherwise it raises a file not found error. So let's have RB. So have your file. Uh, okay. File that read. Let's store it on a date. Maybe let's just print directly. File that read. Save. Okay, so this is the content of our binary file. Okay, this is our binary data. So we make use of R or WB to write our binary, and we make use of the RB to read our binary. Now, we also have this read and write binary. It opens a file for both reading and writing in binary mode. Okay? So we have the RB plus. Okay? So in this case, we'll just store the file to a certain variable, or the red data to a certain variable data. Then print our existing print exists. Sorry, print existing binary data. Then we'll call our data. Then we'll have to write. So we can also check if we can add a, or maybe we can write first to our binary para sana yung ating printing. File, write, b slash n. So new binary data. Okay, save F5. Wait, let me just check. Okay, so we have a new binary data. Then let's try to write save file. Save. Oh, sorry. Nga pala. I committed a mistake here. Wherein I overwrite it first earlier. So let me just have it. Okay. So we have here your new binary data and the another binary uh, data. Okay. Next, uh, we have to we have also the write and read. Okay. What we had earlier is for read and write in binary mode. In this case, we will have our write and read in binary mode. Okay, so we will write first, then we'll have to read. Okay, so let me have this one backslash n. Then we have the file that's sick, which is at zero index zero, which will move our cursor to the beginning. Okay, then we have to print. Okay, So we have here a binary data, or the red binary data, okay, with our write and read. Now we also have your append binary, wherein it opens a file for appending in binary mode. The file is not overwritten and the content is added at the end. Okay? So let's do it. So AB will have to append we append a binary, save. Let's check later on. Okay. So we also have your AB plus, which is now to append and read. So we have your AB plus. So we have file that write. So again, we'll make use of the file that seek 0, which will move our cursor to beginning, and our red data. Okay, file dot read. Okay, save F5. So there you have it. We appended a binary data already. Okay, so that's our AB plus. Okay, we also have A plus, which opens a file for both appending and reading. Okay, so we make use of the AB or the A plus for our text. Okay, so let me just check the name of our text. So sample files that text appended new text data. Okay, so save F5. Wait, save F5. So we appended our new text data. Okay, so that's another mode, append and read. We also have the read and write. I think we already uh, sige. So what is this R plus? We make use of the R plus. Data is equals to file that read, okay, which we will read the current content, okay, and will print our data, okay. Before, yeah, before Tapos yung data natin. Then we'll have to append. Okay. So save F5. Okay. So if we want to check, let's just check. Save. Sorry. We have already the wait. Wait. The first instance. Wait. Sample files. Okay. So let's check if we have appended. Ayun. So we already appended our university of the assumption. Okay. Next, we have the write and read. Okay. Just like our uh, previous example. Now we have our exclusive creation. This now opens a file for writing only if it doesn't already exist. So let's edit this code. So we'll make use of try. What we will be doing is we'll try to create a file if it doesn't already exist. Okay. Then we have your X. Okay. Then accept file exists error. We'll have to print error file already exists. Okay. Let's check. Five. So we have here our uh, files tree. Now let's try to check again. Save. So since we already have the file exist or star file exist sample files tree, okay, it already prompts us a file already exists. Okay. Next, we can also do this with our binary. So XB that bin binary already exists. Save F5. Again, forget our B. Save F5. Wait, let me just remove. Okay, save F5. So we have created our sample files 3. Okay. Now if we will to create it again, F5, it will result now to a binary already exists because it's already created earlier. Okay. Then we have your exclusive write and read. So X plus with our text. Okay, so let's check. So we have here your sample files 4. Now if we will to do it again, okay, it will now have the error file already exist. So we can also implement that with our binary. So in exclusive binary, write and read. So let me just read. Have another the bin. So this is xb plus allow you a binary. Okay, so save F5 again. Let me just uh, binary save F5. So we have here the binary file and the content of the binary. Now let's have it again. So already exists. If we will to run this program again. Okay. So those are your file handling modes. So these are the summary of our file handling. So we have R, the RB, R plus, RB plus the W. R is for read text. It opens an existing file for reading. RB is for binary, it existing in binary mode, read and write. Okay. So you may just want to go over with this one as I provide you this summary. Okay. So we have a WB, W plus, WB plus, A, and AB. The A plus, AB plus, X, XB are the exclusives, exclusive binary, exclusive binary for read and write, and exclusive creation for read and write. Okay? So we'll have the next topic on our next meeting. Thank you.